Let's examine the 7 major error codes of LG Electronic System air conditioning. Communication error between indoor unit and outdoor unit appears as CH05 and CH53 for multi-V, and for single, it appears as CH05 and CH08. CH05 and CH53 are similar errors, but the method of troubleshooting is different. When outdoor unit sent a signal to indoor unit, and if indoor unit does not receive the signal, 05 will occur. While when indoor unit sent a signal to outdoor unit, and outdoor unit does not receive the signal, 53 occur. In terms of power supply, single is different with multi-V. For single type, when the power is supplied from the breaker to the outdoor unit, power and communications are supplied together from outdoor unit to indoor unit. When CH05 error occurs, you have to first check outdoor unit main breaker power. Check if switch is on, and check if first side power and second side power are normal. And then, check voltage on power breaker for each phase. Measure voltage between the phases of output voltage. And when the breaker is checked and if there is no problem, move to outdoor unit and check the power supply status of the outdoor unit. At this time, 380 voltage shall be measured on RS, RT, ST with tester, and 220 voltage shall be measured on RN, SN, TN. If the power is normally supplied, then measure output voltage of noise filter. For noise filter, first measure output voltage of the first side and second side. If there is no problem, now check communication side. At this point, the normal voltage value for communication signal should be varying from DC 0.1 voltage to about DC 5 voltage. If communication of outdoor unit is normal, check communication line between indoor unit and outdoor unit. If the communication line between indoor unit and outdoor unit is verified as normal, check indoor unit communication side. At this time, it is normal for communication and communication side to vary also from DC 0.1 voltage to about DC 5 voltage. If the communication is well performed in indoor unit, check LED of indoor unit communication PCB. When overall inspection is over, move to outdoor unit to start auto address work. When auto address work is completed, finally verify LGMV data to check normal operation. If CH53 occurred, use the checking method for power supply similar to CH05 as described before. Here, make sure to check indoor unit breaker on-off status and also check if indoor unit breaker output voltage is 220 voltage. If communication error occurs in single, checking the power side is different from multi-V. First, you have to check the connection status of live neutral. If the power is verified to be normal, check indoor unit terminal connector power and communication. If terminal connector power and communication are normal, check if indoor unit PCB power supply is okay and whether indoor unit PCB operates normally. If indoor unit PCB is normal, move to outdoor unit and proceed with auto address work. When the auto address work is completed, finally check LGMV data for normal operation. For troubleshooting CH05 and CH08, measure the power breaker and the output voltage first. Measuring method of power breaker and output voltage is similar with multi-V. Go to outdoor unit to check input voltage status. Here, if it is a single phase, check whether live neutral is misconnected, and you have to be careful since there are cases of neutral and ground are switched. If there's no problem in outdoor unit input voltage, check if fuse is disconnected. If CH08 occurs, make sure to check noise filter. If power check is completed, check the main PCB LED status. If LED is not lighted, you have to check if the fuse is disconnected. If you want to check fuse resistance, you have to turn off the power. On the other hand, if you want to check the voltage through the fuse, you have to apply power. If there's no problem with the LED, check PCB status. If LED 01G occurs, turn off the power and check PCB diode and IPM short. Finally, check the connection of communication line to indoor unit.